Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Velvet Meadow Designer Series paper and the Scallop Blooms stamp set and this very large 3.5 by 3.5 by 3.5 inch box. And if you're wanting to learn how to make it, I will take you through some really simple steps. We'll do it together, and trust me, it's easy. All right, let's get started. All right, here we go. I have a piece of 10.5 by 7.5 piece of cardstock. This is cloud cover, and on the 7.5 side, I am going to score at 3.5 and 7, and then we're going to flip it round and I'm going to score at 1, 4.5 and 8. I have put that aside. All right, I have a piece of 7 by 7.5 piece of cardstock. We are going to score at 3.5. That is on your 7.5 inch side. 3.5 and 7. And then we're going to flip it round and we're going to score at 1 and 4.5. Okay, I'm going to fold and burnish all of my score lines. Okay, with my new paper snips, let's start cutting away some pieces. So what I'm going to do here is measure. Let's see, this is 1 inch. So I'm going to, and I think my ruler is 1 inch. It is. So I'm just going to make a mark so that I can cut evenly from the score line here, and we're going to cut this whole rectangle out. Okay, so there's that. This is a tab, so I'm going to miter the edge, and I'm going to miter this edge and remove this whole rectangle here. Of course, you can use a trimmer for this or large scissors. I am giving my new crafting snips a whirl. All right, and then I'm going to cut this and remove that and then go up on the score line here. All right, this is one side of the box. The next side is going to be here. So you can see how that's going to fit together. All right, so we're going to cut up on this score line. I'm going to cut up on this score line. I'm gonna tab this and I guess miter that. And then this piece is going to be, we're gonna cut it right off. And miter this and miter that. Done. Easy. Okay, so I'm gonna get my adhesive out. I'm gonna put adhesive on the back side of that and on the back side of that. All right, I'm gonna make sure that this score line here and this score line here match. Then I'm going to bring that tab over. All right, and then all we have to do is kind of fold this and fold that, and we should be square. Okay, now these tabs go in. I'm going to do a adhesive U is what I call it on this side. We're going to fold that. And then I'm going to do the same on this side, except I'm going to do adhesive along all the sides. Just like that. Here's my box. I do notice a little bit of overhang, so I'm going to take my new paper snips and we're just going to cut that off. And same here. Okay. Ta-da! So we need 5 pieces of designer series paper, and they are 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. And this is using the Velvet Meadow designer series paper. It is flocked or fuzzy. And you need 5 pieces, 1 for the lid and 4 for the sides. 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. It's an easy box to make with 1 1/2 pieces of card stock. Hang on, I think that one goes this way. Doesn't really make a difference. Here's the last one. It's pretty. Ta-da! Oh, I like it so much. Isn't that nice? It's a big box. It is 3 1/2 by 3 1/2 square, and it's not a fold flat box because the bottom is not. Alrighty, so here is our Peaceful Pine ink pad, and I have the Scalloped Blooms stamp set. I'm using this, thank you. I'm just going to season my stamp because I haven't used it yet. Okay, now you twist, tap, 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 tap. And there we are. Okay, get some dimensionals out. Aw, I love it. It's so soft. So I just want to say thank you so much for spending time with me today and making this lovely little box with me. And And I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you back on Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.